Yeah. Fuck yeah. Holy shit. Fuck. Holy shit! Fuck yeah! Wow! Holy.
Right,
mate.
Boy.
Up the
fucking game. That's how you fucking do a real skate.
Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Woo-hoo! Yeah! 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 Woo-hoo! Hey, gringo. Yeah, it is, eh?
Yeah.
A little bit windy.
Yo.
The beast. 3.8 Buick. Ooh. Mama. It moves. Back into the sun. Where you belong. Oh, it's crazy. How do you feel, mate?
Oh, bro, I feel fucking beautiful, buddy. I feel fucking
It moves. Yeah. Better open the gate.
Oh, I got no brakes.
Yeah.
Stroll through the native, I feel at home. Got tonight the one we I know. Hey, going on no cool. With the birds and the trees, I never feel alone. Makote aitan na atane mehe wahanga no ku. As soon as the sun rises, we are ready to ride. Wai-oi, wai-oi, kako kite hayata, matike e arara. Wai-oi, wai-oi, I may never be at home all the time. That's the sacrifice. We need to have food on our table while you keep the fire stable, so our children are able to prosper in this here life. I hope they can realize we are survivors. Yeah, we are providers.
Sounds a lot better though.
To all our women holding it down, I give thanks for keeping the home fire blazing on and on. On and on, on and on and on. As soon as the sun rises, we are ready to ride. Wai-oi,
Go-kart
wai-oi,
project.
kako kite hayata, matike e arara. Wai-oi, wai-oi, as soon as the sun rises, we are ready to ride. Wai-oi, wai-oi.
Wonder how much they bought their car wash for.
Hardo.
Clean up, Nick.
Oh fuck, I hit 18 PSI there. 16.
Oh, fuck.
Maybe it won't work.
Yeah, boy.